Today we'll learn how to find and measure 2/3 of an inch on a ruler or tape measure. We'll break this down step by step to make it easy to understand. Let's start by looking at a standard ruler. Here we have 1 inch marked out with the common 16th inch divisions shown below. And above, we have the metric scale in millimeters, where 1 inch equals approximately 25.4 millimeters. To find 2/3 of an inch, let's first understand how to divide 1 inch into thirds. If we divide our inch into 3 equal parts, each part represents 1/3. 1/3 is approximately 0.333 inches, or about 5/16 of an inch. To find 2/3, we'll count over two of these third marks. 2/3 is approximately 0.667 inches, or about 11/16 of an inch. On our ruler, this falls between the 10/16 and 11/16 marks. Here are some tips for accurate measurement. First, align the zero mark precisely with the start of what you're measuring. Second, look straight down at the ruler to avoid parallax error. And third, when in doubt, use the metric side. 2/3 of an inch is approximately 16.9 millimeters. To summarize, 2/3 of an inch is approximately 0.667 inches, or about 11/16 of an inch, or 16.9 millimeters. Remember to measure carefully,